Hey guys, it's Greg. We're at the range today. I've been fielding a lot of questions on Apex since now it's hit the market. And I thought today would be a good day to explain what it is and what makes it different from everything else out there. First of all, it's going to be easier to explain what Apex is not. Apex is not a run-of-the-mill lubricant. Apex is not white labeled, which means it's produced by another manufacturer and we just put our label on it. What Apex is a completely designed product from the ground up specifically for a lubricant for your weapon systems. So how did all this begin? In the beginning, again, I was shooting a lot of the 2011s and doing a lot of testing of the 2011 platform. The issues I was running into was constantly have to apply lubricant, constantly have to clean. Even in a holster, the lubricant was running off. So there's nothing but issues. So I reached out to Vendetta Chemicals. Vendetta Chemicals, if you don't know, is their actual job is a lubricant manufacturer. They produce and manufacture lubricants for the oil and gas industry throughout the United States. So unlike our competitors that will actually take a lubricant from another manufacturer and white label it, i.e. put their logo on it and sell it to you, we went from the bottom, built it up from the ground up. They knew all the products or the traits of the various ingredients and what that would do for Apex. So again, it took us almost, I believe we had 10 revisions until we got now, to me, the best lubricant on the market. As you know, if you've been shooting weapons for a while, the issue you run in with lubricants is under extreme shooting or a lot of heat, your inferior product will actually burn off. Take, for instance, CLP. With CLP under sustained firing, you're going to have a burn off. And once the lubricant actually burns off, now that's when you have issues with carbon buildup, carbon being baked onto your slides, your bolt, your action, your feed ramp. So what's the difference of Apex and your standard CLP? Well, first off, the great thing about this is it's designed for high temperature, sustained fire. It works amazing in suppressed weapon systems where, as you know, with a suppressor on the end of a, say, your carbine, you're getting blowback of carbon back into your action. Again, everything heats up and it bakes onto your bolt. When we designed this, we designed Apex to be able to sustain any environment. The great thing about this, besides the temperatures, is our film strength. And with film strength, what you have is a minute layer that spreads over top of your steel parts that actually provides against abrasiveness. Your CLP has close to maybe 1,000 PSI for their tensile strength, which means slight friction, heat, the rubbing of your metal parts, it's going to come off and it's going to start being metal on metal. With Apex, we have designed this with a film strength of over 36,000. When developing it, we took our time. We didn't want to copy anything. We wanted to start from the ground up. I sat down with the engineer and stated what the characteristics that I wanted to see, which were the shortcomings of all of the lubricants that I've seen over the past 30 years. One of the first characteristics that you'll see when applying this is a little goes a long way. And once you apply this to your metal surfaces, it actually stays. It basically impregnates your metal. On that, what happens is, unlike your CLPs and other lubricants on the market, if you leave them in your holster, it'll run off. If you leave it in storage, after a while, it will actually run off the weapon. This will actually stay. One of the things that we prided ourselves on from the beginning was this was designed on a range like this. This was designed for our warfighters. This was designed for the shooters. What we did, instead of doing all the test firing in a laboratory, we actually guided out to third-party testers and had them run the weapon. Had them run the lubricant, push it to extreme, because we needed a failure. We needed to know where this failed. That way we could go back to the drawing board and actually make a better product, because in the end, we want our product to be the best on the market. So what was our testers seeing? What was the feedback I was getting back from all the professionals that were running this in their personal weapons? Okay, we had one tester that put close to 12,000 rounds through a Staccato XC. In that 12,000 rounds, zero cleaning, zero malfunctions. All he did was apply a couple drops of this every couple thousand rounds and no issues. He was going to continue, and again, I needed data, so I actually had him stop the testing and then clean up his weapon to see if there was any burnt or baked on carbon or how well it was to clean up. And the great thing about the Apex on the cleanup itself, you just have to take a rag to it, no more scrubbing. It does not allow the carbon to burn to the metal parts. Once you wipe it off, due to the metal and the film strength, you'll still have a layer of lubricant that remains on your metal parts. Example number 2. I was doing a demo for a federal law enforcement agency. With that agency, we took 2 of their carbines. We took their current issued lubricant and put it on a unsuppressed long gun. And then I put the Apex on a suppressed long gun. Why did I do that? Well, as you know, with suppressors, they blow carbon back into your action. So they're actually harder on a weapon system, especially the DI form. They get hotter, they get dirtier, they foul up. So if there's going to be any issues, if it's going to be harder, I wanted Apex test to the limits. The criteria of the test was we was doing 500 round burn downs, which meant sustained fire, 500 rounds through a carbine as fast as we could do it. For the test, what we noticed with the unsuppressed, with their currently issued lubricant, at round 125, we started seeing malfunctions and started seeing issues, double feeds, light primer strikes, and have you. At that point, we looked and reviewed the weapon system, and their issued lubricant had actually burned off. Now it's metal on metal. So for the remainder of the testing, we had nothing but malfunctions. The second part of the test was with the suppressed weapon system with the Apex. The Apex fired 500 rounds, 0 issues, and at the end of the 500 rounds, I pulled the bolt out, and there was still lubricant throughout on the bolt, and again, took a rag and wiped it off. No more carbon left. Another great attribute of Apex was we designed it to sustain in saltwater environments. With the ocean, we know is about 3% salitic. When we developed it, we pushed it to the equivalent of the Dead Sea. And what that means is, of course, if you're around saltwater, you're going to have corrosion, you're going to have rust. It expedites with steel parts or any type of metal. We had a unit testing this they tested for approximately 2 months. At the end of the test, they selected Apex. They have been diving every day for 30 days and diving with their actual weapon system that was lubricated throughout with Apex. At the end of the 30 days, what did they notice? 0 rust, 0 corrosion.
On the 76, we are already seeing a ton of rust buildup. Same thing on the Lucas. Ours. A whole lot of nothing.
All right, we've covered a lot of the attributes of the good things. Now, of course, I've got to be forthcoming and tell you what the bad thing is. The only bad thing as a manufacturer that I have found is I don't sell as much because it lasts 10 times longer than the current lubricants that you're using. So in closing, I personally feel that we have developed and designed the best lubricant on the market. And it's not only my opinion, all the testers out there have came to the same conclusion. Every day, we're getting more and more requests for dealers throughout the United States and international. Every day, we're getting requests for demos and testing from our elite special operations, both military and law enforcement. So in closing, guys, I mean, don't take my word for it. Run you some Apex. At the end of the day, guys, we want feedback. We want to make the best product out there. We don't just settle. It's like Vendetta Chemicals, like in their logo is, we challenge the status quo. We don't settle for what the industry says this is a standard. We push through the limits and we established a new standard in firearms lubrication with Apex.